Welcome to the brand new 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD ZR2 in Summit White. This truck is powered by a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel, bolted up to a 10-speed Allison automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Silverado, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I just mentioned, steering column shifter, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, integrated trailer braking, dual-zone climate control, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the Silverado, starting off with the 18-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving on, we have gloss black door handles, 2500 HD badges on the doors, gloss black mirror caps with LED turn signals, ZR2 badges on the fenders, Allison transmission and Duramax badges on the hood. Around the front of the vehicle, Chevrolet bow tie cutout in the center of the grille, ZR2 badge in the grille as well, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights, LED over cab lighting. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped and has keyless entry, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Automatic step assist come on when the doors are opened and retract once the doors are closed. Side steps are built into both sides of the box. At the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into both sides of the bumper, towing packages installed, single exit exhaust. Silverado, black Chevrolet bow tie, and ZR2 badges can all be found here on the multi-flex tailgate. Heading back inside the Silverado, back seats here have in-seat storage. They are also car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the truck, and here in the center console we have two cup holders, the heated seats controls, and two USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD ZR2. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.